This tutorial review will show you how to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app, tap on this emoji, and here at the last you will find this explore option. So tap on explore, tap on the search box at the top and type here ask me anything, then tap on search, and here you will get different types of ask me anything filter. You can select any of them. I'm going to selecting this one and tap on snap, tap on send to, and then you can post this snap to your story. And this is how we can do the ask me anything on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.